Right, so I'm gonna knock out these bushings to replace them with the Z1. This is a 32mm socket, so hopefully this works. The biggest socket I have, so I know some people were saying that 34 might work better, but we'll see. So the mallet isn't working so well for me. I have to get an actual hammer. First one's out. So I ended up going out to buy a 32mm socket because I guess the way how this second bushing is a little different from this side. So the 32, I was just hammering away at the just the rubber, and I wasn't getting the metal part. So going out to get a 32 definitely helped, and I'm already pushing it out with a few hits. So. So you can tell it's a little different. So, and again, hit it from the bottom out, because you know if you hit it from the top, it's not going to go anywhere. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna sand this off, and then I'm gonna paint the case, the pumpkin. So I pulled off the old one. Man, that's a lot of rust. So I'm gonna swap the stub axles, swap the sensors, and I should be good. Alright, so the reason why you have to change out these stub axles if you're using you know, a G35 350 on a G37 slash 370Z or vice versa. The reason why is, so the 370, or I'm sorry, 350 is 46 teeth. I'm sorry, it's not focusing. And the G37 slash 370Z is 48 teeth. So it's gonna match up correctly to the sensor and how it's calibrated. But finally got it out. So I'm about to swap it, put it in, swap the cover, and then put in the bushings.
I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody as ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston. I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from their cloth. There's no one that can match me.
Alright, so to tell what ratio your gear is, the ring gear is always stamped with a ratio. And so for a 47 to 12, that just means that there's 47 of these teeth to, on the pinion, there's 12 of those. And the ratio should come out to 3.916. So the Z1 cover requires you to reuse your magnetic drain plug. It goes on the very bottom of the cover. It requires you to also reuse your the fill, and that goes on the bottom of the side. And then they provide a the, what do they call it? They call this the return plug. So I guess it's for people who want to run like diff coolers or whatnot. But so this is provided. This is, you reuse from yours, and you reuse your magnetic drain plug. So it's a diagram. So this is the Z1, which got the front differential bushing. It comes like this. So this part, the flat end, is on the top side, and then the part that has this washer is on the bottom. Then the pin goes through the center. So I'm just going to lubricate all these up with some grease. bottom.